Video to show how I got my little garden started about a week and 2 days ago. This is what I've grown in a week and 2 days. This is my garden bean, microgreens, carrots, some more garden beans, broccoli, more microgreens, cantaloupe. These are all the cantaloupes. Carrots, radishes, and watermelon right here. Watermelon. And these are Brussels sprouts, carrots, peppers are finally starting to sprout out. And this time around we're going to use recycled products like this. The first time we used, can you grab that we used this container, and it had in, this is the brand, Jiffy greenhouse. So it had these little netting soil mix ready to go, and we just put our seeds in there, and this was a week and 2 days ago, and they've already grown out. So we're doing it again. Instead of buying one, we're just going to do our recycled products, and then we put this in, put this over it, keep it on here the whole time, give it light and water. And it came with a little garden or a vitamin packet, so we gave it the vitamin water. But anyways, today we're gonna plant some seeds in our little cups. The first one we're gonna do is peppers. Just put 2 to 3 in each one. And for our soil, we actually use the Miracle Grow all-purpose. So just give it some water. And make holes at the bottom. This has a little hole right there. Might need more. And then the water will just soak under this tray. If it has too much water, it'll just soak down there and release out itself. So we have a couple more ready to go. And this one we're gonna do Brussels sprouts. And since we're not going to put this one in the tray, we have these little covers, and I'll probably, when it starts growing, I'm going to put it in something bigger, put plastic over it. And this is what I did when these actually started out in the little netted, little soil pre-mixed cups that came in that tray, but they grew. Once they started growing tall enough, I put them in these pots. But I don't want to keep going to the store because of what's going on, so I started using recycled materials, which is working out just fine. We just put holes in the bottom, so we've been putting them in here, and that's what we're doing with our growing plants as well. So our next one, we're going to use broccoli. Oh, carrots, sorry. Carrots. Alright, and then just put a little water. And I'll put the names on them so I don't get confused. These are carrots, Brussels sprouts, more Brussels sprouts, watermelon, broccoli. And I also made these little reference papers for myself. So this is just for a pepper, for instance, 6 to 8 weeks indoor by a sunny window. And I just leave my little notes so it's easy for me to keep track of what I'm doing with the plants. And that's it. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. And I'll post an updated video in a week.